The Toyota Supra MK4, a true legend of speed, power, and street racing culture. Known around the world for its iconic design and legendary performance, this machine represents an era that car enthusiasts will never forget. But even legends can fade with time. The once glossy body now looks worn and tired. Dust covers the surface, scratches hide the sharp curves, and the shine that once turned heads has slowly disappeared. Years of use and neglect have taken away its original presence. Yet beneath all of that, the soul of the Supra still survives. What you are about to witness is not just a simple cleanup. This is the revival of an icon. Every stage of this transformation is focused on bringing back the aggressive beauty and bold identity that made the MK4 Supra legendary. The process begins with deep cleaning. Layers of dirt and old residue are carefully removed, revealing the true body beneath. Every panel is prepared with precision before the restoration begins. Then comes the transformation. The paint is corrected and restored. The body regains its sharp reflections. The iconic curves begin to shine once again. Piece by piece, the Supra returns to life. The presence comes back. The energy returns. The legend awakens. And by the end of this journey, this Toyota Supra MK4 will stand once again as a symbol of pure performance and timeless design. This is not just restoration. This is the rebirth of a legend.
นะครับบินmột ít ISS cơ này tập นะครับเบรกเยี่ยมหนึ่งไงนะมันจงเป็นเขาบอกนั่นไหนนะครับในนี้นะครับ